In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest Frag Pro Shooter mod menu. And yes, it's fully working on both iOS and Android. If you've been searching for a Frag Pro Shooter mod, Frag Pro Shooter hack, or Frag Pro Shooter unlimited coins and gems, this video is exactly what you need. As you can see on the screen right now, this Frag Pro Shooter mod menu unlocks all the premium features in the game. You'll get access to God Mode, unlimited coins, unlimited gems and diamonds, wall hack, unlimited ammo, and many other powerful options that completely change your gameplay experience. Before we get started, make sure your Frag Pro Shooter game is updated to the latest version. This is very important. To check, simply go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Frag Pro Shooter, and see if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're good to go. Next, head down to the pinned comment below this video. In the pinned comment, I explain step-by-step where and how to get Frag Pro Shooter Plus Plus easily for both iOS and Android devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.